Okay, let's start with the cockpit preparation check. Both on.
Electrical power.
External power on.
Navigation lights.
Are on.
Engine master.
Both off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked normal.
Landing gear lever.
Checked.
Parking brake.
Is on.
Flaps.
Checked position.
Speed brake lever.
Checked retracted.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Transponder mode.
Checked standby.
Radio control panel.
Set on.
Team recall.
Checked. Is on.
Flight director.
Is on.
Emergency lights.
Checked and armed.
No smoking signs.
Set on.
Anti-ice.
Are off.
Probe window heat.
Is off.
Air conditioning.
2137.
Checked. Checked.
Echo, Bravo, November, crown 15 right, hold short, 15
Set on.
left, active,
Grounding.
2130.
Checked.
Active brake pressure.
Direct 143, Boston ground, push for discussion. Direct 143, Boston ground, push for discussion.
Set.
Ground proximity warning system.
Are on.
Electronic flight control system.
Is on.
ADIRS.
Checked.
Emergency equipment.
Checked.
Check is complete.
Yeah, 10-3, Boston ground, turn one up Bravo, taxi Bravo, Quebec Alpha.
Bravo, Quebec Alpha.
Ground control, JetBlue 471, British taxi.
JetBlue 471, roger, 1 on 2 right, taxi Alpha November, call for 15 right, hold short 15 left.
Cross 15 right, short 15 left, that's Alpha and November going to Q2 right, JetBlue 471.
Captain, the cabin is secure. All passengers are aboard.
Before start checklist.
Ground south.
Closed and locked.
8
There is Q2 right, on 6.
Set on.
688, south on block ground, 1 up Bravo, taxi right.
And Bravo and taxi.
Set on.
External
JetBlue
power.
471, I gotta bend your next taxi.
Disconnected and off.
Bravo, November.
Signs.
Foxtrot, Bravo, November.
Set on.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
JetBlue 471, call for 15 right,
Is
hold
on.
short 15 left.
Barrel reference.
1019.
Foxtrot, Bravo, November, cross
0,
15 right, hold short left.
Check. Vehicle
Cactus
lights.
2043, Boston.
Set on.
Check is complete.
Our discretion, Cactus 2043.
Wisconsin 3691, cross 15 left, power 128.8.
Cross 15 left, down the other side, Wisconsin 3691.
Delta 189, cross 15 left, power 128.8.
Clear cross 15 left, power 28, Delta 189.
Ground United 634, spot 7 with Julia.
Yeah, 634 Boston, ground right, spot time of the sun is 15 after the hour. For now, it's actually a Kilo Bravo, hold short of November, expect on 22 right.
Kilo Bravo, hold short of November, United 634, we'll look for that.
Flight deck to ground.
Go ahead.
We have ATC clearance for push and start. Please confirm ground equipment and service is clear.
Roger.
Stand for 8 shot, Papa Swan, confirm.
Ground equipment and jetway clear. Doors closed and steering pin in position. Awaiting your instructions.
Starting pushback.
Roger. Please release parking brakes.
Parking brake released.
Okay. Starting pushback. Cleared to start both engines.
Is okay.
Starting engine 2.
Kilo for B16.
That's 2134 Boston, make the right turn, Bravo. Then a quick left on Echo and Alpha, hold short of Kilo.
Bravo. Alpha, Echo, short of
Engine 2 stabilized.
2134 close, just make the two left now. Two left turns and hold short of Kilo.
Okay, Echo, Alpha, short of Kilo. Okay, 2134.
Chevy 471 cross, runway 15 left, monitor tower 128.8, okay.
Cross 15 left, 188, JetBlue, 471 view.
Catch 2137 cross, runway 15 left and monitor tower 128.8.
Cross 15 left, monitor 28.8, connections 2137.
American 143.
Engine 1 stabilized.
American 143, runway 22 right, taxi
Pushback
Alpha
complete.
November, cross runway
Please
15
set
right,
parking
hold
brakes.
short, runway 15 left.
Alpha, November, cross
Parking
15
brake
left,
set.
15 left, 42 right, American.
Okay, toolbar disconnected. No steering pin removed and all clear signals to the right. Have a good flight.
Kilo left, Echo 1, after jazz, Yankee 2134.
After start
Kilo, hold
checklist.
short of Echo 1.
Short of Echo 1.
Engine mode selector.
Set.
APU lead.
Set off.
APU master.
Set off.
Ground spoilers.
Set.
2043 ready for
Good, sir.
taxi.
Check 0.
Pitch trim.
Set.
2043 balls, ground taxi at Echo Alpha, hold short of Charlie, expect runway 22 right.
Echo Alpha, hold short of Charlie, Cactus 2043.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
61 Golf Heavy, I'm sorry, way to push.
Affirmative.
61 Golf Heavy, push back your discretion.
Full up.
Okay, push of position, I'll tell you 61 Golf Heavy.
691 balls, ground, push back your
Full
discretion.
down. Neutral. Rudder. Full left.
Up your screen.
Full right. Neutral.
Check. Flaps.
Check the 1667,
Flaps 1
taxi at Kilo, Bravo, November,
are
cross
off.
15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
Checked.
Bravo, November, cross 15 right, hold short 15 left, taxi.
Checked.
Hand signal.
Receive.
Yeah, 7687, hold short, taxi November, please.
Hold short from November, yeah.
United 634, continue via, make it Bravo, Zulu, runway 15 right, hold short November.
Bravo, Zulu, and you want to 15 right, hold short of Winston.
United 634, on runway 15 right, hold short November.
Okay, on 15 right, hold short November. 634.
Cactus 2043, runway 22 right, taxi Alpha November, cross runway 15 right, hold short of runway 15 left.
Alpha November, cross 15 right, hold short of 15 left, Cactus 2043.
Southwest 1820, balls, ground, push back your discretion.
Southwest 1820.
November 1, Zulu Mike, make the left turn on November. Be
Taxiing
November,
checklist.
Bravo, Lima, Alpha to parking.
Nose lights.
Set
Zulu
on
Trust
Mike.
levers.
as required.
Brake checks.
Your Mercury 5888, balls, ground, taxi.
Press pedal. Check 0.
143, cross number 15 left, monitor tower 128.8.
Max.
28 will cross 15 left, American
Reviewed.
7687,
Checked.
to US Airways level 319, from your left.
Checked.
Then runway 22 right, taxi November, cross runway 15 right, hold
Set.
short, runway 15 left.
Check this complete.
You wait to US Airways, will cross 15 right, and hold short of 15 left, yeah.
Okay, 61 Golf Heavy.
Go ahead.
You pushing?
Affirmative.
I'll see you over there, okay, thanks. For 5891, you have a wheels up time of 36, taxi a Bravo, hold short in November, expect to hold on, runway 15 right.
Bravo short of November and 35.
Wheels up time of 36 for Mercury 5891.
Okay, 36.
Number 8686 out Bravo, boss. Ground taxi a Bravo, hold short of Zulu, expect runway 22 right. Who just talked to him?
Breaker at 3217, hello.
Breaker at 3217, Boston. Good afternoon. Runway 22 right, taxi Kilo Bravo November. Cross
approaching
15 right, hold
25. Approaching
Roger, on the way to
25.
right, Bravo November, cross 15 right, total 15 left, Breaker at 3217.
945, taxi in November and Alpha at the Alley with your company pulling out.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Access 2043, ready for taxi.
On runway 25.
Check this 2043. Let's see, we have you, runway 22 right, taxi in November. Cross runway 15 right, hold short runway 15 left.
Cross 15 right, hold short 15 left, Cactus 2043. Quarter 944, ready for taxi.
Quarter 944, runway 22 right, taxi of Bravo November. Cross runway 15 right, hold short runway 15 left.
Bravo November, cross 15 right, hold short 15 left, quarter 944. Boston Dock, you have the red bus?
Sorry, who called?
Boston Dock, you have the red bus?
Ticket 636, continue via Alpha to Park.
Alpha Park, ticket 636.
Before takeoff, check.
Back about 2 minutes to it.
Call you back in 2 minutes, you have the red bus.
Checked.
Are
off.
Charlie Bravo, November, cross number 15 right.
Check normal.
15 left, two-way air transfer.
Charlie Bravo, November, cross 15 right, hold short 15 left.
TA and RA told above.
Cross number 15 left, monitor tower 128.8.
Get 4, cross 15 left and 20.
Set on.
Lighting cables.
Stowed.
PT right position and hold, southwest 1322.
Share 531, cross runway 22 right, contact ground point down here as we talking.
PT right now, point 9.
Okay, let's go. Take off.
140 contact Sierra Victor.
140 on the turn, cleared, destruction at number.
Jeffrey 426, turn right on Kilo, hold short, runway 22 right, remain at frequency.
Right on Kilo, hold short, 22 right, Jeffrey 426.
Checked.
Southwest 1322, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Rotate.
Pick up 22 right, southwest 1322.
Positive right.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Set up car, runway 22 left position, hold traffic 13 mile, final for your runway, traffic will arrive just off your runway.
Gear is up. Lights off.
Right, go.
Autopilot on.
Check.
Climb thrust. Flaps up.
Flaps up.
After takeoff, check.
Engine mode selector.
Checked normal.
Spoilers.
Disarm.
Flaps.
Checked retracted.
Landing gear.
Gear up, lights off.
Exterior lights.
Set off.
Packs.
Both on.
Anti-ice.
Is on.
T-class.
Set
Altimeter.
1019.
101.